Hi guys, today we're going to use Kimi K3 on Claude Code, and we will have a LLM as powerful as the frontier model Fable5 in a fraction of the cost. It's around 1/10 of the cost of Fable5. So let's go. So basically we start from the Kimi console. Okay, here there is the website. Here we are, and the first thing we have to do is to add some balance to our account. In this case, I have already for $1. If you have at zero, you can charge as much as you want. Maybe to start with custom, and the minimum fee is $5. If I'm not wrong, with $5, they already give $5 as a bonus. So do not enable the recharge when the balance fall below the threshold and check out. Now we can go to the API key and create our API key. Create the API key, just give a name, for example, test YT for me. Project default, don't worry. Okay, copy the API key and press OK. Now you can go to your notes, you pass your API key, and there is this chunk of text that you will need in order to set up Kimi K3 to your Claude Code. So basically what you have to do is just substitute your API key. Be careful, don't leave any double quotes or commas. Copy this chunk, go to your IDE, open your project. For example, I have a project, test project, and paste this to the terminal. Press enter, and now you can write Claude. Here we are, Kimi K3, happy API usage billing, perfect. And let's try with a very good question. Hello, what's your name? I like this question because it's funny that he will answer, I'm Claude. So yeah, we are pretty sure we are getting something taken from Claude. And yeah, beside that, I just want to add a few considerations because I already tried this model, which is very powerful. Is very autonomous. It means that it elaborates even for a long time, and you want to get to a final solution, which can be good for some application, but for mostly of the usage that I was doing is too much. And even if it's 10 times cheaper than Fable5, I found it still expensive. For example, for making an application for just set up some carousels, I spend all my credits, so more than $20, and that's too much in my opinion. I was doing the same, maybe spending a little bit more time, but with DeepSeek API usage, I was spending something like 50 cents. If you want to use DeepSeek API, that is something I recommend. If you are practicing, I will leave the link of the video where I set up DeepSeek for your Claude Code in the description. Basically, it's very similar. And that's it. See you in the next video. Please subscribe for don't lose the next video, and please press that like button. This will help the channel. See you.